Hello my friends, followers, listeners and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all fine and doing very awesome trading. You all guys in binary trading, I know many traders daily switching that boom and crash. Cause that boom and crash support to trade very low balance like $10, $20, 30 and 50 account holders. So cause of this, in boom and crash, a lot of rush of traders. So many traders struggling to find good strategies to milking boom and crush. If it's 500, crush 1000, boom 500 or 1000. I always bring new strategies, tested and accurate results, and I explain in my videos how to set up the strategy, how to use for profitable trading, how we can avoid the fake signals, and all need basic points and advanced points. In previous videos, I shared a boom and crash 500 and 1000 scalping strategy, and many replies I received that guys asking me kindly do some changes cause that period 10 moving average with minus 10 shift is lagging on chart. So cause of spikes we lost what we earn, and cause of this strategy not working good. So today I'm going to show you one more profitable and very awesome and accurate signal strategy. It's also based on moving averages cause my all strategies based on moving averages. Cause that moving average is one true indicator cause this is one indicator. Always calculate perfect data of previous close price, previous open, high, low, all kind of candles price. It depends on you which method, which period and which style of moving average you want to use to make your strategy. Okay, that basic points and needed things I already told you. So let's set up the strategy. First of all, choose the moving average. Moving average. 25 period, 25 period, shift to and done. Method exponential, apply to median price HL2. Remember, okay? And pixel 3 color any, I will choose this one. And simply click on done. Sorry, here involve. Okay. Here you seen that moving average is loaded on chart. Okay, once more. Again moving average, period 15, and here change the shift 3. Method summated and apply to close HLCC4. What is this? This is also a deep topic. Condition of moving averages. We'll discuss in another video. Focus on this strategy. Okay, let me choose the golden color. Again, look here. Period 15, shift 3, smooth edge, wedge close, and 3 pixel color as you see, and done. Very awesome, very good, very true, and awesome strategy. Let me explain how to trade using this strategy. First of all, see here that market brings some spikes in boom and moving averages crossing each other and starting up. And look here how much spikes we catch through this strategy. This is scalping strategy, not spike strategy. And look this point. Moving averages crossing each other and started going down. Look here. And look here on this point one spike appeared. But moving averages told us this is a fake spike. Continuously trend still in down direction. Don't close your trade and Let the continue milking the sell trade. Look here, one more spike comes and that moving average is still on his place and not changing. And look here, one more C in this gap. Also moving averages gives us signal to hold this trade because this is a sell trade. And look here, two spikes and a push to change a trend, but that spike have no power. Our moving average told us hold your trade. And look, once that spike appeared, moving average told us to hold our trade, and once again after some dots a baby spike, and after some dots one comes a big spike. Our moving average told us is point to close your trade. And look how much profit. Your exit point, your trade entry point, and look how much pips. Also look at this sale from this point till this, how much pips. Okay, and let me show you this buy trade. That moving averages crossing each other, and market started going up till this, and look how much pips and spikes in scalping. And look this, once market cross you enter the trade and spike for buy. After some that market started going down, and look, still you are in profit because of this, because their moving averages crossing each other. But again moving averages cross each other and told us this is a buy, so hold your trade and look how much pips. And the exit point of buy trade here, and look from entry point to exit how much pips you made. So very awesome and very easy strategy. Let me zoom the chart and show you. You just need to enter trade after this point. I always prefer to use only for sale in boom and buy in crush. If you want to trade crush, then kindly only buy. Okay, because this is the rule of boom and crush. Boom always sell and crush always. Look this, very awesome signal. Market cross this point and look how much pips using this strategy. Look here, the buy trade, market cross and look how much pips. Look this trade, market cross the moving averages and look how much pips. Moving averages cross each other and look how much pips. Moving averages cross each other and look how much pips. And look also this one, market cross each other and look how much pips and exit point. So this is very awesome trading strategy. Let's start the milking boom and crush. You will make more money. If you still have any question, kindly feel free to ask me. I'm here to help you. Look here, cross and how much pips. Okay, look here, cross is happening. Let me place a trade of buy.